Oh, hey, Jeremiah. Hey, did King David have a Moabite grandmother, and was he an Israelite? Yes or no?
Yes, he was. He had a Moabite grandmother, which means he would be mixed. He had a Moabite grandmother, which means he would be mixed.
That nigga lying.
And he was one of the greatest kings of the nation of Israel.
Okay, and then the second part of that question, hey, was King Ahaz, wasn't his mother Amorite, and wasn't he a king as well?
Yes, even Rehoboam, his mother was an Ammonite, and he was a king of Judah.